4 types of user equipments are specified. It makes sense to develop different types of user equipments because they will correspond to the different requirements of users, network operators, and service providers. Type 1. Type 1 consists of more than one single-mode user equipment, for example one for UMTS and one for GSM GPRS, in one shell. The only functionality shared is the man-machine interface. Thus, the user equipment can only be active in GSM GPRS or UMTS. This means that simultaneous access to the networks is not possible. Type 2. This type of user equipment resembles Type 1. During an active connection, however, it can take measurements in the other mode and send the results to the network. Like Type 1, this type does not allow simultaneous connections to different standards.